Hey guys, it's Eric. Today I'm going to talk about the monthly maintenance of your M9 and M11 sterilizer. Your sterilizer is the pinnacle of your patient's safety, and you need to take the maintenance of it seriously.
First, you're going to go ahead and grab a pitcher and drain the reservoir. Once you have emptied all the old water out of the reservoir, you're going to fill it back up with new distilled water. Only use distilled water. You will know that the chamber is full once the water reaches the green fill line on the drain tube. Next, remove the trays and tray rack from the chamber. Here in this empty chamber, you can see a filter in the back. Remove that filter with some forceps. Drop it in a cup of Speed Clean and let it soak for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and put Speed Clean on a cloth. Wipe down your rack and trays with that Speed Clean saturated cloth. Now that the filter has had time to soak, place it back inside the chamber. Measure out 1 ounce of Speed Clean and pour it into a cold chamber. With the racks and trays in place, run a pouches mode. Go ahead and stop the cycle once the drying mode begins. Go ahead and drain the chamber again and refill it with fresh distilled water. Make sure that you are in the green range on the drain tube fill line. Run 1 unwrapped cycle to rinse the chamber. Once the cycle is complete, drain and refill 1 last time. Now is a good time to inspect the door gasket. If it seems loose, go ahead and replace it, as this will save you some heartache down the road.